What's going on YouTube? This is LCDSmartKey.com. I'm here with the Chevy 2007 Tahoe. I want to do a quick test on this one before we send this one out. Okay, let's do the lock button. I'm sorry, that's unlock. Cool, let's do the lock button. Nice. Let's do the trunk. Perfect. Alright, let's do the lock on the screen. That's what I like to see. Let's do the unlock on the screen. And one more time for the trunk. Thank you. This has been LCDSmartKey.com. Again, this is the Chevrolet 2007 Tahoe. Let me show you the fob. Yes, we do these. I'm on eBay, guys. Again, LCDSmartKey.com. Out.
Tesla. Tesla Roadster.